Welcome back to 20 Car. Welcome to the future of luxury on wheels. The 2025 Mercedes Maybach Limo Unofficial concept. A rolling palace dressed in silver satin and whispering elegance with every inch. Just looking at it feels like being invited to a secret society of royalty and billionaires. It's long, it's low, and it moves like a yacht on the Autobahn. The chrome trim shimmers like moonlight, the wheels are literal sculptures, and the LED light bar across the grille makes it look like a spaceship from the upper class. Step inside, and you're not in a car, you're in a private lounge in the sky. The dashboard is draped in hand-stitched leather, wrapped around dual curved OLED displays that seem to float. Backseat? More like a throne room, heated massage recliners, champagne chillers, a starlit ceiling, and soundproof serenity. You don't hear the road. You own it. Under the hood, we're talking a hybrid V12 pushing close to 900 horsepower, with whisper-silent electric torque that launches this mammoth from 0 to 100 kilometers height in just 4.6 seconds. Yep, a limo that outruns sports cars. It's gunning for rivals like the Rolls-Royce Phantom Extended and Bentley Mulsanne Grand Limousine. The price? Expected to float around $400,000. Maintenance? Premium. Insurance? High. Depreciation? Surprisingly soft. This is a collector's dream. Driving it? Like sailing on velvet clouds, you don't drive it, you glide. Pros: ultimate luxury, insane tech, unrivaled presence. Cons: massive size, big bills, not for tight streets.